Myself K. Sirisha, working as assistant professor in mechanical engineering department in MBR College of Engineering and Technology. Today, we are discuss the topic of sequencing problem with NJOBs and 3 missions. Previous class we discussed NJOBs 2 missions. So now we are going to solve the problem of with the NJOBs and 3 missions. So this is the given problem. The processing time of some jobs on 3 missions A, B, C. The order of processing missions A, B and C determine the sequence that minimize the total elapsed time. So now we are going to find out the total elapsed time required to complete the jobs. Also evaluate the time of A, B, C as an idle time. Actually like the previous class of NJOBs 2 missions, here there is a little change. So this is the conditions for solving the problem of with NJOBs 3 missions. So first of all, if you know the conditions, you can solve the problem easily. So first of all, what is that condition? We see that. So let us see. So this is a condition for 3 mission sequencing. So what are the two conditions? These two conditions are very important. Minimum of A greater than or equal to maximum of B, and if it is, if any one of the condition is makes possible, we can proceed the another step. If minimum of A greater than or equal to maximum of B, either minimum of C greater than or equal to maximum B, any one condition condition is true, we can go for the next step. So what is note, if any one condition is fulfilled, we can use this method. So if you can any one condition fulfilled, we can solve this, we can proceed the method. So what is that in sequencing with NJOB and 3 missions? So first of all, we have divided into 2 parts. So first is satisfying the condition, and second one is not satisfy the condition. Mostly probably we solve the satisfying the condition. So this is our problem. We have 3 missions. Those are A, B, C, and jobs are, so this is the given problem. We have 3 missions A, B, C. So mission time in the form of hours, and jobs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are all the jobs and those are the missions. So in previous class we solved NJOBs 2 missions. That is easy, and first step we will take the sequencing, then after we will calculate the total idle time and idle time for each missions A and B. So here there is a extra mission is given, that is C mission. So how do we are going to solve how if 3 missions are given. So first of all, we will check the conditions. If we will check 2 conditions. If any one of the condition is true, we can proceed the method. So first condition is minimum of A greater than or equal to maximum of B. So what is minimum of A? Here minimum of A, this is the A mission. Minimum of A 3, 8, 7, 4, 9, 8, 7. Minimum of A is 3. Okay, minimum of A is 3. So maximum of B. So maximum of B is, what is maximum of B? 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 3. Here in this B mission maximum is 5. So we will check 3 is greater than or equal to 5. No, this condition wrong, because of 3 is smaller than the 5. So one condition is wrong. We will check the another condition. Minimum of C greater than or equal to maximum of B. So minimum of C is nothing but minimum of C 6, 7, 5, 11, 5, 6, 12. Here in this minimum is 5. Okay, see, this is 5. And maximum of B, what is maximum? In maximum of B 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 3. Maximum of B is 5. Here okay, minimum of C greater than or equal to maximum of, here greater than or equal to is nothing but either greater or equal to. Here our condition is satisfied. If our condition is satisfied, we can proceed to solve the method. So our condition is satisfied. So if our condition is satisfied, first of all, our 3 missions will be converted into 2 missions. So how we will be converted 3 missions into 2 missions? First of all, this is our problem. Those are all the jobs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and missions are A, B, C. First of all, we will be converted 3 missions into 2 missions. How will be convert? Our first mission A plus B converted into first mission, and B plus C converted into second mission. So A plus B is nothing but 3 plus 4, 7, 4 plus 6 10. At the same way, A plus B gives to first mission and B plus C gives to second mission. So our 3 missions will be connected in the form of 2 missions. So first mission and second mission. For first mission A plus B and second mission B plus C. Now we are going to sequencing. So now we are going to form the sequences, front and back. What is front? First front is nothing but left side and back is nothing but right side. Okay, this is left side, left, and this is right side. Already we told in the previous class, if second mission is least, actually we will take the least of all the elements of first and 2 missions. If we have the least number in first mission, we will take in the we will take that in left side. If we will least value in second mission, we will take in right side. Okay, so first of all we will check which is 7 10 11 10 9 7 9 16 10 6 12 10 10 15. In all of this, which is least? 6 is least, but 6 is in second mission. Fifth job, second mission. So second mission is nothing but back, that is nothing but right side. So we will take like that, and if we like, take like that. Okay, so back side, back. So first of all, 6 is 5, so I will take 5 because of taking the form right side arrow. And if we consider that, just cancel this. Okay, next we will check which is least. 7 10 11 10 9 10 9 16 12 10 10 15. In all of this, 7 is least, but first mission here first job also 7 and fourth job also 7. Third job also 7, but how we will take which is first? So I will consider this is 7, first mission, first job. We will give the, and next this 7 is third job, second mission. Always we will give first mission, first job. Okay, we will give first mission, first job. This is in second mission, third job. So second mission we will not consider first mission we will consider first. So okay, that is the hint. So which is this is in the like, so we will just give the which is first, that we will give preference. So 7 is the first mission, first job, that is why I will prefer this 7. So that is first, it is in first mission. So if it is first mission, I will prefer left side. Okay, and just cancel this, and another 7 is here. This is second mission, that is right side, because of the second mission is right side. So that is third, I will take third. Okay, I just simply cancel this. And next, which is least? 11 10 9 16 9 16 12 10 10 15. So here 9 is least, so 9 is first mission. If first mission, I will prefer left side, that is front side. So fourth mission, I will just cancel this. And next, 11 10 12 10 10 15. Here we have tens. This is second mission, we will not consider. This is also second mission, we will not consider. Okay, so we are always gives first mission, seventh job. Which is first, we will give the first preference. So I will give preference this. Okay, so that is 7. We always give the first preference, first mission. Then after we will give second mission. So I will take, just cancel this. And next I will give another list. We have two tens here. One is 10, and one is 10 and another is also here also, but both two are in second missions. But here our first mission only we have 11 and our first mission having 12 hours. Okay, so which is highest? 11 and 12. 11 and 12, which is in 11 and 12. Okay, in 11 and 12, which okay, here 11 and 10, and this is 12 and 10. Here both are the both are the second missions. Here we will take here our first mission 11, and here also our first mission is 12, which is least. 11 is least, we will take this only. So that 2 I will consider here, which is least. 11 and 12, which is least? 11 is least, so I will take 2, which is second mission. Okay, and next only we have only this 6, so this is and 10 is the second mission. So that is finally we get 6. Okay, if you have like that, just 11 and 12, which is minimum, 11 is minimum, so that I will consider it like that only. Okay, so this is the sequence. Our sequence is 1 4 7 6 2 3 and 5. This is our sequence. This is our sequencing. Okay, by taking this sequencing we are going to solve the problem. So I consider the table again. So what is our sequencing? This is our sequencing 1 4. This is our sequencing. Just the sequencing I will take this sequencing only. So what is our sequencing? Sequence is 1 1 4 7 6 2 3 5. So this is our sequence, and this sequence, first of all we have 3 missions A, B, C, and each mission having in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay, first of all, first mission start with 0 hours, so I will consider 0, and this is first mission, and this is first mission. We will take, this is our first mission. Our first mission, which how many units is there? 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. This 3 is take here, and which is, this is mission, fourth mission. We will go to the fourth mission for A, because of I will consider A 3 plus 4 7. I will consider 7. This 7 take here, and 7, and which is 7. This is 7th job. I will go to the 7th job for A mission. 7th job for A mission. 7 plus 7 14, and 14 take here. This is 6th job for A mission. 6th job for A mission 8. 8 plus 14 22, and 22 take here. For second job for A mission 8. 22 plus 8 30, and 30 take here. And third mission, third job for A mission 7. 30 plus 7 37. 37 here. 37 plus fifth job for A mission. Fifth job for A mission 9. 37 plus 9 46. At the same way here our B in and out. Here A out we will consider B in. So A out we will consider B in. 3 for first job. This is first job for B mission 4. 3 plus 4 7, and this is 7. Compare with this is 7 and this 7. 7 and 7 are same. Will not consider, take just 7. 7 plus 7, and fourth job for B mission. Fourth job for B mission is 5. 5 plus 4 is fourth job. This is fourth job for B mission. Fourth job plus B mission 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. I will take 12, and I will consider 12 and 14, which is highest. We will wait 2 hours. Okay, 14 minus 2 hours. We will wait for 2 hours. So I will take which is be highest. 14 and 12. 14 is, I will take highest only. Okay, 14, and this is 7th job for B mission. 7th job for B mission is 3. 14 plus 3 is 17. 14 plus 3 is 17. I will compare 22 and 17, which is highest. 22. I will take 22 minus 22 plus 6th job for B mission. 6th job plus B mission is 4. 22 plus 4 26. 26. I will take 30 and 26, which is highest. 30 is highest. Second job for B mission. Second job for B mission is 3. 30 plus 3 33. 37 and 33, which is highest. 37 is highest. Okay, so 37. So third job plus for 3 B mission, third job for B mission is 2. So 37 plus 2, 39. So 46 and 39, which is highest? 46. So 46. Fifth job for B mission, fifth job for B mission is 1. 49, 46 plus 1, 47. Here out of B mission is in for C mission, so that is 7. Same like that, first job for C mission, first job for C mission is 6. So 7 plus 6 is 13. So 12 and 13, which is highest? 13 is highest. Okay, fourth job for C mission, fourth job for C mission is 11. 11 plus 13 is 24. 17 and 24, which is highest? 24 is highest. Seventh job for C mission, seventh job for C mission is 12. So 24 plus 12 is 36. 26 and 36, which is highest? 36 is highest. Sixth job for C mission, sixth job for C mission is 6. 36 plus 6, 42. So 42 and 33, which is highest? 42 is highest. So second job for C mission, second job for C mission is 7. 42 plus 7, 49. 39, 14, which is highest? 49. Third job for C mission, third job for C mission is 5. 49 plus 5 is 54. 47 and 54, which is highest? 54. Just add it, which is it is, just add this number. Fifth job C mission, fifth job C mission is 5. 54 plus 5 is 59. This is our sequencing table. Okay, this is our sequencing table. Now we are going to find out what is he asked exactly. He asked minimize total elapsed time and idle time for A, B and C. Idle time for A, B and C. First of all, total elapsed time. Total elapsed time. Total elapsed time is 50. Elapsed time is 59 hours because of our missions are in hours, because of A mission, B mission and C mission are the same way. Okay, 59. What is the last one of out of the C? That is 59 hours. Next, idle time for A. Idle time of mission A. Idle time of mission A is what is the last and out of A, and that is meaning of 59 minus 46. 59 minus 46 is 13 hours. Why? Because we will take our initial time is 0, so that is why 59 last time minus what is actually we want to idle time for A is 46. So 59 minus 46 is idle time for A. Next, idle time of mission B is, idle time of mission B is here there is no time for waiting, but B mission waiting for 3 hours. 3 plus 7 and 7 same. Here 14 and 12 are different, so 14 minus 12 is 2 hours is waiting, and 17 and 22. 22 minus 17 is 5 hours is waiting, plus 30 and 26, 4 hours is waiting, plus 37 and 33, 4 hours is waiting, plus 39 and 46. So 46 minus 39 is 7 hours. So total 37 hours is waiting. And next, idle time of mission C is same. Here also 7 hours is waiting, starting 7 hours is waiting, and 13 and 13 is same, 24 and 24 same, 36 same, 42 same, 49 49 same, 54 same. So only 7 hours is waiting. So this is the problem. Okay students, so first of all what we understand this problem. So first of all we just take, okay, so this is the problem. So those are all two conditions. First condition is minimum of A greater than or equal to maximum of B, and another condition is minimum of C greater than or equal to maximum of B. Any one condition, if one is not satisfied, we will take for another condition. If it is satisfied, we will go for the method. So what is that method is, first of all, here this is our problem, 3 machines is given. So first of all we will check the condition. If our condition is satisfied, we will proceed the problem. So what is that method? First step, 3 machines will be converted in the form of 2 machines if condition is satisfied. So A plus B is first mission and B plus C is second mission, and just to take this sequencing, and our sequence taken, form the table like that, and each mission take in out. So if you start with the problem initial, so that is 0 hours, so 0 hours, and first for A is 3, and just 3 is take here, and just stay here only, and this is A. Fourth job for A mission is 4, so 4 plus 3 is 7. At the same way all process like that. So out for in for B, and this out for in for C. So they take like that, and solve the problem, and total elapsed, what is the last value we got, so that is the total elapsed time. And just for 59 minutes 46 idle time of A. If you want to idle time for B and C missions, so what is the initial time for B? So 3 hours, and check this crossings. So if it is same, so don't take. If it is a differences, just take difference. Here also same, like 7 hour is waiting of mission C, and check the crosses, and easily got what is the idle time of mission A, mission B, and mission C. Thank you students.